Alright, so it's Benton's birthday today, his 3rd birthday.
We are doing a scavenger hunt for his birthday presents, new tradition. So fun.
Here you go. Whoa!
What is it?
Benton, this is from Aunt Lynn and Uncle Phil. You gotta tell them thank you, huh?
We need something really you're walking forward.
Benton, here, let's open this.
So what me? What is cool? Me. Me. Oh, we did that potato. I didn't want to open it when you get inside. Look at that one.
Your own set of knives, Benton. For cooking.
Cooking!
Yes! How cool!
Big old rocks.
Choo-choo.
Hello, Choo-choo.
I see the water drops over here.
He's on the back.
We're on this area.
Let's
over
go that
here.
way then.
Which way, that way?
Yeah, but
You guys are walking through Poison Oak.
we gotta go over here. I think I might go like this.
Here, go that way. There's a little steps.
Don't do this. Wow.
Going down to the falls.
That's why you have to go that way.
So many obstacles.
Yeah, it is that way.
I don't know.
I just heard it. Yeah, it's this way.
Yeah.
It's a waterfall. It's a waterfall.
But I think you go around.
It's a waterfall.
Let me go look.
Two waterfalls. This way.
Yeah, this is a trail. Yeah.
Right there.
No, this is...
It ends up. Stops.
Let me go look.
That's a steep area.
Yeah, it is.
You stay.
Me, Dad, go over the branches. Me, Dad, go
Broderick, do not touch the branches, okay? These are leaves of 3. This is poison oak. Okay? Do not, no.
Touch your feet. Roderick, stay up here, buddy.
Stay up there. You're going to touch it.
Me, Dad, go down there. Me, Daddy, go down there. Me, Daddy, go down there. It will reach that.
Let's see. Check it out.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a cliff.
What?
It's a cliff.
Okay.
Go the other way.
A bear hunt.
Watch your head, dude. I can't see your head. Is he good? Broderick, people are down there. Do not be throwing things.
Is that poison oak?
Yeah, do not touch it. Look at this cave up there. We should have brought our should have brought the fishing poles.
this way. Now look, there's like there's a little fire pit thing.
Yeah, someone camped down here.
But they said there's no fires around.
Nope, there isn't. Mama, be careful. You got the baby. Hey, there are fish. There's trout in there right now. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of trout. We should have brought our little fishing poles. You could probably go up higher if you keep hiking, you know? Should have brought the sandwiches. Hold on.
Whoa!
Whoa! Trout. Look at these rocks like balancing. I gotta go look.
Oh, you go that way, you go around.
There's fishies. Jess, I don't know if you should come this way, or Broderick. Let me go look first. Okay?
Oh, watch out that big rock.
This big giant rock that's balancing right here in between these.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yes. It's so fun. It's like you're going hardcore. It's like there's muddy water. Oh, watch out that water.
Broderick, stay here. Okay? No, I can't watch you right now because I got Benton. This is cool.
Yeah. This is cool, Dada.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This is a deeper spot.
Can I come?
If you don't fall, what you doing? I don't want you falling. Don't hold on to Bay. Bay's got to be on her own. You got the baby. And there's no hospital or anything around.
Yeah, this is a deep one.
You could totally go swimming.
Under there, that'll be fun.
Here we go. We're going to go back and see Mama.
Mama, let's see Mama. That's the funny, Dada. Oh. You almost got my head.
I filmed it so you could see it.
You ready? Dee.
Are you ready?
You got my glasses?
Okay. Broderick, you ready?
Yeah, where are we going?
Whoa. So cool.
Look, there's people's shoes. Wait, where did they put my...
There's pants in here.
That's
Here,
gross.
buddy, stand right there. Stand right there. Look at Mama.
You can climb up.
How? I can't.
You don't need to, Bay. Look, that's all it is.
Choo-choo.
It's just a rock. Nothing crazy.
Oh, look at that big rock. This is fall on you.
Yep, careful.
Why do I say fall?
Hey, just watch where you're stepping.
You just touched mud.
Me, Dada.
All right, we're going back.
Yeah, back. Dada, man, give me a second board, Dada.